Ever wish you could magically make those annoying dust spots or skin blemishes disappear from your photos? Today, we're diving into Lightroom's amazing spot removal tool to clean up your images and achieve a pristine final look. First, open your image in the Develop module on the right-hand panel. You'll find the spot removal tool icon. It looks like a circle with a small arrow pointing from it. Click on it to activate the tool. Once activated, you'll see some options. We have two main modes: Heal and Clone for general blemish and dust removal. Heal is your best friend as it intelligently blends the surrounding textures. I recommend staying in Heal mode for most situations. Now, let's adjust the brush. You can control the size of your brush using the size slider. Make it slightly larger than the imperfection you want to remove. You'll want to avoid making it too big, or you'll begin to affect the surrounding clear areas. Next, we have Feather and Opacity. Feather determines how soft or hard the edge of your correction will be. I usually keep feather around 50 to 70 for a natural blend. Opacity controls how transparent your correction is. For complete removal, set opacity to 100. Now for the magic, simply click and drag your mouse over the imperfection. Lightroom will automatically select a source area to sample from. If the automatic selection isn't perfect, you can always drag the source circle to a cleaner, more representative area of your image to get a better blend. Continue this process for all the small distractions in your photo. Take your time, zoom in to catch the tiny details, and watch your image transform. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner and more professional your photos look by simply eliminating these distracting elements. And there you have it, a clean, polished image ready to impress. The spot removal tool is an essential part of any retouching workflow, helping you perfect your images by eliminating those pesky imperfections. Head out there and make your photos pristine.